Hi there, once again, grade 3 students. Welcome to math class once again, and this has been teacher Anna. How are you? Okay, I'm happy that you are happy. Alright, so welcome to the second of the video for this lesson. Okay, we have here topic 14, lesson 5. Still, we have measure liquid volume on pages 763 to 766. Okay. So were you able to answer the previous pages of this lesson? I hope so. Okay. Now, we are going to have, or we will need your math book, your pencil. And if you do have the marked 1 liter beaker, please do get it and try to see also. Okay. So for today's lesson, you say, I can. Can you say it? You say, I can use standard units to measure liquid volume. Okay, so let's have the vocabulary words for this lesson as a review. We have capacity. Repeat, capacity. Okay, so capacity in a liquid volume is what? Is the measure of the amount of liquid a container can hold. Very good. And what is the capacity of the pail? It's 10 liters. And always remember, the capacity would stay the same, even though the unit for the capacity would change. Okay. All right. We also have here milliliter. The abbreviation is ml, and it is about 20 drops from an eyedropper. Okay. And we have the liter, which we can write as letter L. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. Okay, so this Pepsi bottle can hold 1 liter of Pepsi. Okay, next we have the liter versus milliliter. So we have the liter, we have this water jug, this 1 liter water bottle, and this water container. Okay, they all hold 1 liter of water in it. Okay, and we have the ml, we have this soda can, and we have this eyedropper. They just hold a few milliliters. And how many milliliters again in 1 liter? 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Very good. All right, now I want you to open your book to page 765. Let's do another example. Okay, when only part of the 1 liter container is filled, use milliliters. Very good. The capacity of the mug is 300 milliliters. How did you know that it's 300? Because you can see that the tick marks or the marks here, we have 100, 200, 300. So the liquid is just until 300. The third mark of the beaker, so it's 300 milliliters. Very good. Next, the capacity of the pot is 2 liters, 500 milliliters. Okay, how did you know? All right, so how many milliliters are in the partially filled container? It's 500. Okay, as you can see, the liquid is just until the 500 mark of the beaker. So you have 1 liter, 1, 2 liters, and 500 milliliters. Hence, the capacity of the pot is 2 liters, 500 milliliters. Did you get that? Very good. It's very easy, grade 3. Okay, now let's do page 765 of your book. We have the guided practice, the do you understand me part. Okay, number 1. Find a container that you think holds less than a liter. Measure the capacity of the container. So, what do you think? Okay, so we can say a cup or a soda can. They are all less than a liter, right? Next, we have number 2. what is the capacity of 2 mugs like the one in the another example shown above? Okay, look at the another example. What is the capacity? So if one mug is 300 milliliters, and if you have 2 mugs, how many? Or what is the capacity now? It's going to be 300 plus 300, so it's 600 milliliters. Very good. Now let's go to the do you know how. What is the total capacity represented in each picture? Okay, number 3. What is the capacity? Alright, so we have how many liters are in there? We have, okay, all of the containers reach to the top, and they reach to the 1 liter mark. So there are, or the capacity is 4 liters. Very good. Next, for number 4, 1 beaker is 1 liter, and the second beaker is how many milliliters? It's above, it's 1 mark above 500 milliliters, so that's 600 ml, correct? So the capacity for the 2 beakers is 1 liter, 600 milliliters. Very good. It's very easy. Now let's do the independent practice. Can you do it? Okay, what is the total capacity represented in each picture? Number 5. The answer is 1 liter, 800 ml. Very good. For number 6, what's the total capacity? It's 3 liters. Very good. For number 7, it's 2 liters, 400 ml. Very good. Alright, so let's do math practices and problem solving. Number 8, Lawrence received a gift basket with a 200 milliliter jar of grape jam and a 350 milliliter jar of strawberry jam. His sister used 135 milliliters of the grape jam. How much jam does he have left? What's your answer? Okay, the answer is 415 milliliters. Okay, why? Because 200 minus 135 is 65. And 65 milliliters of grape jam plus the 350 milliliter jar of strawberry jam would be equal to 415 ml. Good. Number 9. Find a container that you think holds more than a liter. Measure the capacity of the container. Can you think of any container that holds more than a liter? Okay, so we can also have a barrel, for example. Okay. Number 10. Which of the following measurements is not reasonable for the capacity of a bathroom sink? Is it 15 liters, 300 milliliters, 10 liters, 9 liters, or 12 liters? What do you think is not reasonable? What's your answer? It's 300 milliliters. Why? A sink would need to hold more than 300 milliliter, which is less than half a liter. Okay. Next we have number 11. How many 2-liter cartons can be filled with 18 liters of juice? You can draw a picture to show this problem, but you can also just use an equation. How many? Okay. So the answer is 9 cartons. Very good. So that's just only 18 divided by 2 is 9. Very good. Next we have number 12, the higher order thinking. Emma poured 750 milliliters of gravy into a 1-liter container. If she wants to fill the container, how much more gravy does she need? What's your answer? Okay, she needs another 250 milliliters of gravy. Okay, 1 liter is equal to how many ml? Or how many mLs? It's 1000 milliliters. And 1000 minus 750 is equal to 250. Very good. And for number 13, use the picture of the water jugs to find the amount of water the team drank during soccer practice. Okay, so before soccer practice, how many liters? That's 15 liters, correct? Now look at there. After soccer practice, how many liters are left? What's your answer? That's 7 liters. Okay, so meaning to say the team drank 7 liters of water. Very good. Okay, so now that you know how to find the capacity or how to measure the capacity, it's very easy for you to use liters and milliliters this time. Okay, I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Thank you so much and have a great day. This is Teacher Anna once again saying goodbye, grade 3, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.